have even more weird slime combinations. You guys make sure comment down below though your weird slime combinations because they're kind of hard to figure out. They're there. I can't figure them out. I don't know why. But let's get straight on into the video. Yo! Alright guys, first we're gonna start this off with a nice iceberg because I got a bunch of icebergs, so we gotta use them. This one I decided I'm gonna put glitter on top, and I'm putting this light glitter because I thought it would look cool. Wow, that completely deflated. You know what? I don't think there's any point in playing with this. Alright, well that was today's iceberg. Yeah, let's keep going. Alright guys, so first we're gonna start off by making a cloud cream. This weird slime combination we're gonna do is cloud fluff and fishbowl. And then this is gonna be this type of fishbowl. I found this one. So yeah, you guys get it. Anyway, so first we're gonna do some ASMR with this nice base slime that is all cleared up and stuff. By the way guys, this is just school glue. So if you guys want the recipe to it, it's just school glue. But it's like been like 2 weeks since we made it, so yeah. Alright, so let's go ahead and take half of it. And then we're gonna go ahead and get the snow. Alrighty, so I've found out the trick to making cloud cream very fast is to get a bunch of snow and to put just a tiny bit of water in it, basically. That's it. And that is it. Alrighty, let's mix that up. Let's put the snow and let's mix. Alrighty, let's go ahead and put more, or the rest I guess actually. Alrighty, so we just finished putting all the snow in it. I don't know if we should add more. I think we should add more, but it also might need to set. Alrighty, I'm just gonna make a little bit more snow and then we will continue. Alrighty, let's go ahead and add all that. Okay, I think we are about done. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it to the side to kind of just set and become better. And we're gonna go ahead and get started on the fishbowl. Alright guys, now we're gonna go ahead and start on the fishbowl. I gotta just do some clear slime ASMR. This is some nice Elmer's clear slime. Alright, I'm gonna stop putting bubbles in it now. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and take half of that. Alrighty. And then we're gonna put our fishbowl beads, but I think first we gotta dye it. So I'm gonna just dye it this color, green, yellow green. I love mixing clear slime with, I love mixing, I love mixing dye with clear slime. It is so satisfying. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and add our fishbowl beads. I haven't used these fishbowl beads in a while, so I am excited. Alrighty, we're gonna put that for now. Alrighty, let's put that over there. I love how like clear these ones are. They're so cool. I want to know who thought of the name fishbowl and how is it so perfect. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and add some more. And then I think that's it. And why do they stick in the slime so well? What the heck? I can barely get an Orby to stick in slime. Alright, well here is the slime we created. I love it. It's like lime fish. It's like a dirty fish tank. Get it? 'Cause like it's green and it's fishbowl. Oh my god. Okay, well I love it. Alright, let's go ahead and get our cloud cream. Let's see how that's doing. It's doing very good, I think. Yeah, it's very fluffy now. Alright, and I'm gonna go ahead and dye this because I completely forgot to dye it. Alrighty, so I'm gonna make it blue. And isn't it so nice to dye fishbowl, guys? Not fishbowl, I mean cloud fluff. I always say the names wrong. Anyways, isn't it so nice to dye these? I love it. It's so satisfying to me. Okay, this is such a pretty color. Should I just keep it like this? I'm gonna put some more. Alright guys, here it is. It is so beautiful, the color. We have a beautiful fishbowl over here. Now, let's mix the two and see what happens. We have a weird slime combination. I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit off of this though, because I feel like we have too much of the cloud cream. Alright, here's the fishbowl. I love fishbowl. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish putting bubbles into it because we're gonna... Alright, let's just mix it, I guess. Alright, let's do this. Oh my gosh. Is there any like cool way we can do this though? Okay, let's just do it. Alright, let's mix it. This reminds me of like a monster. I don't know why. Alright. Here it is. this actually looks kind of cool. I like it. It kind of reminds me of like Mountain Dew Baja Blast. All right, well, I guess we're all done with that. Here's how it turned out. It actually turned out pretty good. All these weird slime combinations, guys, they actually turn out a lot better than I expect. Like, I think this is gonna be like complete like weird and like trash or something, but like it's actually kind of cool. Like, it reminds me of like a gummy bear or something. I don't know. What should we name this, guys? Mountain Dew Baja Blast Crunch thing? Cake? Crunch cake? That's what it kind of looks like. Mountain Dew cake. All right, well, here's what we turned out with, guys. You guys comment down below if you like this one. I kind of halfway, like, I'd give it like a 5 out of 10, okay? I wouldn't make it again, but like, it's not bad. So yeah. All right, guys, let's get on to the next weird slime combination. All right, guys, next we're gonna do is butter slime and jelly cube slime. Okay, let's do this. I am so excited. I haven't made like a jelly cube slime in a while, so yeah. All right, guys, we have our basic slime right here. And we're gonna be making our butter slime. Alrighty, let's put that right there. It kind of reminds me of broccoli. I don't know why. Was this clay made for slime? Because like it breaks apart so easily. I don't understand how anybody could actually even make a sculpture with it. So I'm so confused. All right, guys, here's the butter slime. Now we're gonna go ahead and make our jelly cube slime. Yes. All right, so we have our clear slime right here. So we gotta go ahead and dye that. I'm gonna go ahead and make this one yellow. I haven't made something yellow yet. And we should put some glitter on this. I'm just gonna put this pink glitter because like it's just pink. It doesn't matter. Almost white, so it doesn't matter. Alright, guys, now we're gonna go ahead and add our jelly cubes. This looks so beautiful. Alright, let's add our jelly cubes. I think that's enough. Sounds so cool. All right, let's squish them now. Okay, this looks so cool. It kind of looks like mango jelly cubes, but like sparkly. All right, we're gonna go ahead and let this just kind of set for a little bit so that the jelly cubes, the sponges, can kind of like absorb the slime, so yeah.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, here is the slime. It is a bit smaller because I had to keep a 2 ounce of it anyways. Let's go ahead and crack the jelly cubes. It's not completely there, but it's like pretty much there. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and add it with our butter slime, so yeah. Oh, this looks so cool. This looks like pineapple chunk or something. Look at how cool that is. Oh my gosh, I love this. Okay, anyways, let's go ahead and continue. How should we mix this? I think we should just mix it normally. All right, guys, here is my pineapple. I think it's pretty good. Kind of looks like a weird hand, but it's okay. All right, let's mix this. I wonder what it's gonna turn into. Oh wow, that mixed very quickly. Well, that's what it turned into. All right. It's not terrible, but it's kind of weird. I don't like it. It's like butter slime with chunks. I feel like butter slime shouldn't have any chunks in it at all, unless it's like foam beads or something, but like that's it. I can't even like crunch them. All right, we're gonna put some more jelly cubes in this because Paul dripped them on the slime, so yeah. All right, we're gonna add them all, and at the end of the video, we're gonna see if, what the heck they flavor. Anyways, at the end of the video, we're gonna see if it like did anything or something. I don't know. I'm liking all these slimes. This actually kind of looks cool, like butter chunk, you know? Kind of, it's puke slime, guys. All right, let's go ahead and get on to the next weird slime combination, and we will check this out actually at the end of the video. Challenge. Yes, this is gonna be a simple one, no timer. It's gonna be a nice peaceful one this time. You gotta spin around and then press the like button with your elbow. You guys do that, and you guys comment down below if you were able to do it, and let's go ahead and keep going. All right, so for the next one, we're gonna do jiggly slime and butter slime. This one, I'm gonna put more clay in it though. Let's put more clay in it. So this one is actually one that was suggested to me, and I thought it's kind of like, it's a pretty weird combination. weird slime combination, so I wanted to try it out. Alright guys, so I made my butter slime. I activated it. It's very, 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 very nice. And we're gonna go ahead and just leave this white because I kind of like it like that. So yeah. Alright, let's go ahead and mix this. Let's see, is this gonna turn out weird? Oh gosh. You know what, wow. You know, I expected this to not turn out super bad because it's just like a jiggly slime with a butter slime, but oh my gosh, guys, this is terrible. Oh my gosh. This is terrible, guys. Oh my gosh. Wow, I really didn't. You guys caught all of you expected that, or if you already did it or something. I don't know, but I really didn't expect that. This is terrible. It's like one of the first ones I don't like, and one of the first ones that I think is gonna do good. Anyways, I guess that's it for this one. You guys caught all. Which one's your favorite? I'm gonna have to say, I think this one right here, this jelly cube butter one is my favorite. Oh yeah, by the way, let's go ahead and check out what happened to this one. Okay, let's go ahead and squish a jelly cube. Really nothing happened. Oh, that one kind of broke, but I think that was just from the clear slime. I feel like nothing happens unless it's from like clear slime, but yeah. I'm gonna have to say I like this one the most, and yeah, it kind of reminds me of like chunky boogers, and I kind of really like it, so yeah. You guys got what do you think I should name these slimes, and which, I just realized all my slimes are green. Look at them. Anyways, and also we almost forgot a slime smoothie, so let's go ahead and do that really quick. Okay, so we have our jelly cube, we have our fishbowl cloud, and I'm gonna just put like this much of the jiggly butter slime because it is really like hard. There's like no difference in these, what color I'm saying, but let's just do it anyways. Weirdest finale slime combination. Let's do some slime whips, guys. We almost forgot to do that. Single flip. Come on, guys, do it with me. You're probably holding some slime right now. I know it. Double flip. Triple flip. Infinite flip. Okay, enough of that. Finish it off with the twist whirl. All right. Perfect. All right, here's what it turned out to. You know what? I actually kind of like it. It's like kind of fluffy, cloud creamy, buttery, all in the same slime.
This is one of my favorite.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Well, it's because this is why it's his favorite. That's why. Alright, guys, so that's it for today's video. Make sure you got all the next one, part 2, and that is it. Let me switch it. I hope I see you next time. Bye!